What's up mga boss Amolods? For today's vlog, on the way tayo sa May Kawayan, Bulacan. Susugurin natin ang bagyo at lulusong tayo sa baha. Let's go!
Not long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written.
Handito na tayo sa kahabaan ng barangay sa Luisoy. Dediretso tayo sa Deca Home, May Kawayan. Tayo magdi-deliver ng 10 kVA diesel silent type generator mga boss Amolods. Ayan, dito sa lugar na to. Baha, kitang-kita nyo naman. Sinusugod namin kahit baha. Let's go!
Across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Gotta stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave.
Nandito na tayo sa bahay mismo ng dideliveran natin kay Boss Ronnie dito sa May Kawayan, Deca Homes.
'Cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Deca Homes, May Kawayan. Dito tayo nag-deliver ng 10 kVA diesel silent type mga boss Amolods. Ang 10 kVA deliver natin dito sa May Kawayan, dito sa Deca Homes. Tapos si boss taga-Norway yung umorder sa atin. Shoutout kay Bossy. Isa kami din ni Bossy. Ito yung previous nila. Abot ko na kay boss. Boss, ito na boss. Ay, abot natin no, sa online. Inabot natin yung previous ni Bossy. Boss, ano man sa'yo mo previous tayo? Ano? Boss, ang halaga nito boss, 4,000 sa online na ang worth pala ng previous na pinamimigay natin na 300 amperes welding machine is 4,000 plus. Pinamimigay lang natin yan dito sa tool house ng free. Boss, maraming salamat na boss sa tiwala. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay na. Sugod baha tayo mga boss Amolodi. Tapos na tayo mag-deliver dito sa barangay sa Luisoy, Deca Homes, May Kawayan. Kahit ba, nag-deliver tayo, basta kaya.